What's up, you guys? It's your girl Crystal K, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this vegan baked macaroni and cheese. It's a lot similar to my regular baked macaroni and cheese video that I have posted here on my channel. I'll leave a link to that at the top of the screen. But yeah, a lot of people, they have a hard time understanding what vegans eat or how to cook for them, and it's really simple. It's really straightforward. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome vegan recipe, and yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is bring a pot of water to a boil. Then we're going to salt it and add in our elbow pasta and just cook that until it's al dente. So now we're going to make our roux. We're going to use some vegan butter, and then we're going to add in some flour. Now, for those of you who are confused about vegan cooking, it's pretty much no animal products, so no dairy, no meat. So you can make any recipe really and just switch it out for dairy-free products or meat-free products. So, and instead of using meat, you can use beans or chickpeas, and instead of dairy, you just use everything dairy-free pretty much. So that's really all it is. So here we're just using some dairy-free butter, and then we're going to add in some flour, stir that up, and make our roux. Once you go ahead and cook out the flour for about 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to add in some almond milk. You can use cashew milk or coconut milk. Honestly, whatever dairy-free milk you want to use, you can use it. And we're just going to whisk that until there's no more roux at the bottom of the pot. And then we're going to bring that to a boil and then continue to whisk it again. And it should look something like this. You see how it's a little bit thicker. Now, if you guys are ever in the New York City area, definitely check out this restaurant called Seasoned Vegan. I'm not a vegan, but that vegan food was so fire. Honestly, some of the best vegan food I've ever had in my life. I just want to let you guys know about that. Yeah, back to the video. So now we're going to go ahead and add in some vegan cream cheese. Now, the Trader Joe's brand is one of my favorite vegan cream cheese. A lot of the other vegan cream cheese, they taste like booty to me. I'm not even going to hold you. Not that I eat booty, but I mean, oh god. Anyway, if you guys have any vegan cream cheeses that you recommend, I definitely want to check them out, so leave them in the comments below. But yeah, now I'm going to use some of this cheese and I'm going to add it in. It's this Bio Life cheddar cheese, so I'm going to add in the whole package, 8 ounces. And then I'm going to add in some vegan mozzarella cheese from the same brand. We're going to go ahead and add in the whole package as well. And then we're just going to stir that and stir that. Now, obviously, vegan cheese is not going to melt the same as regular cheese. So you're going to have to stir this for a hot second. I think I was stirring it for about 9 minutes. So yeah, just be aware of that. Don't think you're bugging out. Vegan cheese is just, it's not real cheese. Shorty was mad that I ain't take it out on a Wednesday. Off this currency making me sick. Fuck it, this paper I shredded. I get on my tacos at 7-Eleven. I swear to God I ain't going to heaven. I did emotion, I never regret it. I'm digging and vibing, I'm loving the present. Now it's time to season. We're gonna add in some salt, nutritional yeast, some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. Cause I ain't trust what you're doing is real. In time you will show me things for now. So now we're just going to whisk that all together until it's combined. And I also want to thank you guys so much for showing me so much love on my baked macaroni and cheese video. It was actually my first YouTube video that I ever posted. So I was not expecting to get that many views. And I was not expecting for it to be one of my most popular videos on my channel. You guys don't know how embarrassing and how nervous that was for me to post that. Putting yourself out there on YouTube is I don't know. It's really nerve-wracking. So thank you guys so much for trying that recipe and making it for your family, and I love the fact that you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And now we're just going to taste this cheese sauce, and then we're going to mix it together with the noodles. I'm smoking on pear, that's blue, yeah, we call it blue, but it really be green. Whose side are you on? She's touching on south side. Who's back, but you know I don't really go outside. Blessed come, it don't care if thanks, it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods and the hills and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you're doing is real. In time, you will show me things for now. Yeah, starting to question what all this really about. Yeah, we used to bunk it, now I hardly see you around. So now we're just going to pour half of the macaroni into a baking dish and then top it with the vegan mozzarella and the vegan cheddar cheese. I actually wanted to use another vegan cheese in this recipe, but listen, This vegan recipe was breaking the bank because each pack of this cheese cost me $5, and I'm like, yo, are you dead ass right now? I could have got a cheaper one from Trader Joe's, but I didn't like I don't like the way that the Trader Joe's one melts, so I just got this one because it melts a lot better. But yeah, if you guys got the bread, definitely put in another cheese in here because that's what I wanted to do. I mean, it still came out bomb, but yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
But we can't get enough. We set a pace, we ain't keeping up. Oh yeah, we used to pray for the love. Yeah, nah, just get it. Yeah, Shorty was mad that I ain't take her out on a Wednesday. All this currency making me sick. Fuck it, this paper I shredded. I get on my tacos at 7-Eleven. I swear to God, I ain't going to heaven. Out of emotion, I never regret it. I'm digging the vibe and I'm loving the presence. Whose side do you on? She said she on south side. Who's back? But you know I don't really go outside. When the blessing come, it don't care if thanks, cause it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods and the hills and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you doing is real. In time, you will show me things for now.
So once you pour the rest of the macaroni on top, we're gonna top it off with just some cheddar cheese, and then we're gonna cover it with foil because vegan cheese, it takes like a hot second to melt, so you don't want this to burn on you. So we're gonna cover that with foil, put your oven at 350, and then we're gonna bake this for 45 minutes.
I won't get pissed off. I'm feeling a wonderful vibe, yeah. I could've sworn he said he on our side, but he's trying to go outside.
Now, once the 45-minute mark has passed, we're gonna take the foil off and then let it bake some more for 15 minutes. Oh, this was hot. I'm sorry, you guys. It was hot. Yeah, we're just gonna bake that for 15 more minutes, and this is what it's like looking like right now. So after 15 minutes, this is what we looking like right now. We looking real spicy, looking real delicious. We out here. Listen, we got the vegan Mac talking to you like Shorty is bubbling. Oh my god. My bad. I was trying to see something, you guys. I already cut into it. But yeah, I'm just gonna scoop this out so you guys can see what it looks like. Listen, shout out to all my vegans out there. Cause y'all really be out here doing it. Cause I could never. I could only be vegan like, I don't know, part time, a few days out the year. But this recipe is really good. Like for it to be vegan, it's really good. As always, I prefer regular baked macaroni and cheese. But gotta show love to the vegans. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I be trying to post once a week, but sometimes it don't be working out because I don't like the way like the pictures be coming out with the food. So it's like I'm not gonna post a crappy thumbnail, because who wants to watch that? Like nobody's gonna click on it. So yeah, just bear with me. I'm trying to get on a once a week schedule, but for now, we out here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye bye.